Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel for Net Learning. So guys, in this video I will tell you how you can protect and make your gums and tooth healthy by these practices. First practice, brush your teeth twice in a day, in the morning, on waking up, and at night before sleeping. Second practice, brush your teeth up, down, back, forth, and behind the teeth gently with a soft brush. 3. Rinse your mouth well after every meal. 4. Avoid eating chocolates, sticky candies, and sweets. 5. Keep salads and lemon in your regular diet. They supply you with vitamins and minerals to keep the teeth healthy. Drink plenty of milk. It gives you calcium, which is good for teeth. 6. Use a dental floss to clean food particles stuck in space between the teeth. 7. And last, visit your dentist for regular checkup once in every 6 months. Or you can do it monthly. So guys, this is all for today's video. Hope it's helpful. If it helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel for these types of videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.